I am Aisari and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we are adding some important news. Operation Green Bolan, the enemy's evil plans crushed. Pakistani commandos have once again proven that the state of Pakistan will never bow before its enemies. The brave lines of SSG swiftly completed the operation, sending all terrorists to hell. All innocent hostages have been safely rescued and their evacuation is underway. The final phase of operation, including searching for explosives and checking the train for any remaining hostages, is progressing successfully. The state of Pakistan did not succumb to terrorist blackmail but instead sent them to their ultimate fate. Alhamdulillah, another great victory for Pakistan. Long live Pakistan, long live the Pakistan Armed Forces. For more updates, connect with Saiban News HD.